My name is Laurent Demarta. I'm working as an architect in Switzerland in my own company since 12 years. We're working on different kinds of projects, but a lot of renovation and transformation of buildings, because this is an important topic in Switzerland where we do have a lot of old buildings that we need to refurbish in depth. This project started as a transformation of an existing building which had a fire. We had to reconstruct after the fire. The project is located in a village called Cressier. On the one side it's going uphill to the mountains, on the other side it's flat with lake. And the village was erected there in the 16th century mostly. The building comprises of 4 apartments and 1 office. The existing building is back from the 17th century. It's a stone building which had an extension for horses, stables, and then had been refurbished and transformed a lot during the centuries. There was a major issue of soundproofing. Everything could be heard from one floor to another. So the opportunity of having everything torn down after the fire was to give a soundproofing between the floors. That was the main brief of the client, that we should have no sound connection between 2 apartments. The major challenge was that the building is a stone building and it was emptied after the fire, so the 4 walls had a chance or a risk to open up and crash down, fall down. The floors we were designing are there to link together the different elements of the walls and bind them together. And in the meantime, that they are good in acoustics. So we have to solve this challenge of being good in acoustics and hold things together. We had never worked with Posi-Joist before. This option came from the acoustician, who said it's the new way or only way to solve the contradiction between floor height and acoustic demand. The main reason we used Posi-Joist is this acoustics capability. Posi-Joist allowed the project to reach the request for acoustic proofing and the flexibility we needed for the different secondary piping electrical system. I would surely recommend Posi-Joist for this situation of refurbishment. We could adapt the product in factory before bringing it on the site, and we had a very clean site work here, allowed by digital measurement of the building. So everything was prefabricated and came in for a final setting which worked perfectly. For me, the most exciting part of this project is, first of all, to have this old building to come back to life. And second, to have a challenge of using a new product I never used before and see how perfectly it matches the request we had.